With Dr. Tom Baumgarten of Piedmont Orthopaedics, a member of the St. Francis Sports Medicine team. We're talking about avoiding those injuries that can come up during the winter sports. A primary one, I guess, involves a knee injury.
Correct. The knee is most often injured this time of year simply because of the activities that are going on. Lots of people are out skiing, snowboarding, skating, and then lots of people are also doing more indoor sports such as basketball and trying to stay in shape and find a way to do it with the weather conditions.
Yeah, and really we always think winter sports, skiing and the snowboarding, but there's skating, and there's the indoor opportunity to skate in this area, in the upstate area, and at various points for those watching. But really you've got to take that into account, plus just the sports you might play in a gym.
Correct.
Some things you can do to avoid these kind of injuries.
Well, the big thing is to stay in shape and try to do some things to help train your body for those specific activities. Important things are to get on a good stretching program and also strengthening type exercises. And especially regarding your knee, you can often do things to strengthen up the muscles in the back of the knee and in the front of the knee to help decrease the chance of having an injury down the road.
Yeah, the pre-stretching and all that is something I think is kind of underrated. Folks have to remember that at all times.
Yes, and the other thing is to make sure that you do some cross-training. You don't just want to stay in one specific exercise all the time. You want to do a little bit of everything just to stay in overall good shape.
All right, Dr. Tom Baumgarten of Piedmont Orthopaedics, member of the St. Francis Sports Medicine team, and that's this week's Training for the Game of Life with St. Francis. Remember, life is a contact sport. Train hard, play hard. For more information on what we discussed here and all else that is talked about in these segments, go to the website at stfrancishealth.org.